Introduce highlight features or overview summary for KLVEU plug-in air purifier. You can find wanted here. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs, filter by specification, type, brand and more. Highlight features or overview summary are include: low noise operation. This KLVEU plug-in air purifier is low noise, low energy operation. You can enjoy fresh air and fall into sleep easily. Reliable use. This ion air purifier uses negative ions that are good for the human and pets. The negative ion technology purifies your air without any expensive maintenance or any cleaning you need to breathe easily. Compact and portable. Our portable air filter is small, lightweight, and compact, making it the perfect small air cleaner. Take it with you on the go and simply plug it into any standard outlet. If you want to get highlight features and full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe, recommend new products releases, update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads.